Hello guys, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the Advanced 7 Dream UI and Grace UI. So let me tell you first, you can experience both Grace UI and Dream UI on this, but alternate times, because after the we get the installation of while the installation is in progress, we get the aroma installation package, and in which we have the two variants, the Dream UX, the S7 Nougat style, and the Grace UX, the Note 7 style. So you can choose anything and again back up your data, again revert to other OS. So not OS, other UI. So you can do this. Okay, so let us first so home button, power key and the volume key to reboot into recovery mode. So you always get a haptic feedback, leave the keys, and here we have the team win recovery. So never show this during boot. Let me decrease my brightness. Okay, so if any data mounting issues, first format data or factory reset, then go to advanced swipe. So we'll click everything here, not everything, leaving the OTG and micro SD, sorry, or your everything data will be on the micro SD will go. Okay, so everything is done. So wiping, now go to install and you extend SD card, advanced 7, reboot after installation. So we'll take us to the aroma installer package. Here is the aroma installer. So here are some tips changing in the version 2. I recommend you to save format. So here are two variants, and first we are going to learn about the Grace UX. Let's install it. Okay, let's click next to the Grace UX Nougat style. You can see here Nougat 7 style, Note 7 style. Wait while the installation in the process. It will finish in 1 minute, hardly 1 or 2 minutes it may take. Okay, so it is extracting system. So talking about the main features of the ROM, this ROM is a very bloat free ROM. We get extra the WeChat app inside that we can uninstall, not that disable or anything. You can directly uninstall the app, and this ROM is very bloat free. First of all, the battery life has been better with considering and comparison to other ROMs. We are getting better battery life, we are getting extra storage. RAM is also very awesome. Yes, we are going to compare how many RAM we get with both this UI installed. I know this is just a change of UI, not many more, but we just casual look at the after first reboot what UI gets more RAM. I know it is insane, but let's look. So it's installing the OpenG apps too. We have the Pico pack, means we don't get the Google app too. I think only the Play Store, the requirements for Play Store like the Google Play services and some framework, Google Play framework we have, or some 4-5 apps like the packages are been installing. And let's see. Okay, I think how you can see here, yeah. Okay, the dialer framework, the Google Ads and everything. So yeah, it's pre-rooted, so you don't need anything to root it again. So no installation of zips. So it okay, boot image patcher. So it's going to end now. Okay, 95%. Yeah, it will end now. When will it end? Okay, so it has came to an end. Finally we get this important notice. It may loop few times, no, it may loop one or two times, okay, not many times. Let's go to next and reboot device. So now we are going to experience a very new ROM. Let's see the boot logo. So this is the simple boot logo we get in the last ROM. And what is the boot animation? Okay, so this is a boot loop here. So don't worry if you got a black screen and you are screaming like in the comments, I'm not getting anything, you're a bastard and all. Please don't write hate comments. So it's the black on white one. So many ROMs are adopting the black on white one. I don't know why. The old style I love it. Here there are many choices. Is there other people who like the black and white also? I like white and logo. It's not like my choice, and every developer is having my choice. I'm just a tester, a beginner developer. I developed some apps, means one app. Yeah, and that one failed. So again I will try to develop some app. Samsung. Okay, let this boot and I will the ROM finish this up, and now you can see the Grace UX style. So this is let's keep the setup wizard here. Yeah, I agree all. Sometimes the SIM card manager comes late, so for saving my data I need to skip it. And now as you can see there is nothing more like some other options embedded into this. Same usual setup wizard we see. Oh, what is this? Here's some lag, but it's not a bug. Don't report it. I was lagging during setup wizard. So yeah, important notice here when you see set font size, don't go here and set it to medium or large, please. First complete the setup wizard, then change anything you want, a status bar or anything you want to have. So we gotta look here, and yeah, this is Grace UX. Okay, and these icons are very flat. As you can see, many Grace UX icons are not that flat and change like the tree UX. Okay, we get these settings here, and A7 2000, as you see the title Advanced 7. Okay, and here are, so as we can see this is completely bloat free. There is no bloat, as you can see, no bloatware. You can also delete this sweep chat, means uninstall it, and it includes the Grace UX weather widget. All the icons are which are Grace. I will show you first a quick review of the Grace OX. Here is the quick toggles we get. Let's see if you get the S-Bike mode also we get, and blue light filter is not working. I think ROM developer is having some kernel changes and will have, but it is not supported. It is not supported by us. You can install any blue light filter from the Play Store as you like, and here the flashlight also. You cannot increase or decrease the brightness of the flashlight, but in the J7 2016 version you can increase it, as I have given the video. The link is in the description. If you have a J7 2016 or anyone, you can refer to them. And the settings were not at all changed, means the Grace UX is very awesome here. Ringtones, some ringtones are added and some are removed. I think I have tested this thing, and very awesome experience, because let's check the RAM here by clearing the data, because we have used apps with the briefing app. Yeah, and we get a 581 MB. So this is very huge, because many ROMs are only giving 390, 450, and so I recommend you to for you for this ROM, because this will not lag at all. We get extra MB RAM also for gaming performance. It is very well, and we get also the virtual RAM for gaming graphics. So this is very pure ROM. Please don't miss this ROM, and you can use this as a base ROM. And yes, we have two different styles, the Grace UX and the Dream UI. You can select anything. Okay, let's look if the camera is working and if the modes are changed, because the developer was asking. Okay, from the previous version of the Advanced 7, many changes are here. Everything means nearly everything is changed, because previous version doesn't have the Grace UX. Okay, modes we get now, extra modes and nothing for download. So every mode is installed which will support this, and we have the camera modes too. We will like this. Oh, the shots are coming very beautiful. So with this camera modes, oh sorry, camera filters, the extra filtering has happened, and oh, hold on. This is a portrait thing. Okay, so when we swipe here, and here we can get the front camera. So front camera, let's see if the flash is working or not. Okay, flash is working. You can click multiple pictures too. Okay, so everything, only the animated GIF doesn't work. You can get this. So you can click pictures, anything. You can click multiple that GIF, but only dark screen. And when you switch to selfie, that brightness, like I am in the tunnel and I found a way out. So this is like for those adventurous people. So I was just joking. Yeah, bad jokes, I know. So this was the Grace UX ROM. Now let's boot into the recovery, and I will show you the Dream UX ROM. On the last clip we have seen the Grace UX, and now we'll see the Dream UX. So let's start. I've started from the aroma installer. You need to do again the full wipe of the ROM, and again go to install and have this page. I skip that for you. If you can understand this, please comment. I will directly give the reply. And yeah, I will reply. Yes, my reply is must. So changes from Grace UX to Dream UX. Let's talk about that while it's installing. So what changes do we get? Okay, so first of all we get that the change in quick settings panel. All the date and time is arranged at a particular line in the first only. So it's properly arranged. It's fully flat. The status bar and everything is very awesome. You look. The quick settings panel also a flat design, and more blue color is added to that, so it will look more rich, and the icons are changed from the settings and the settings panel also. So, and some more changes here you will see after booting this ROM. Okay, it is oh shit. So I will skip this part and directly tell you after the boot. As you know, you will need to reboot the device and it may take time. So like the last thing only it will happen. So if you are facing any boot issues, please comment. As you can see, the Dream UI also got and some changes in UI, because it's a Dream UI. Oh sorry, I will select this. United States. So I'll skip this. This will also include that WeChat option, and you need to just uninstall it directly. Yeah, because I don't use that WeChat. So setup wizard is also okay. This thing also lagging, and what happened I don't know. So yes. Yeah, in this also do not change the font size, please. or you need to install this ROM again if you have changed it. Yes, you can see the grid is automatically optimized like a 4x4, and you have the Dream UX here. See that icon change and the end style, and here we get the date. Okay, date and the month, and here we are getting the time. So this is as simple. This is very awesome. Okay, so while figuring out the Grace UX and Dream UI, we get some animations here, and here we can see it is fully changed. Some blue color mixture is added here, and it is very awesome looking. This is pretty fast. See the unlocking. I used it for 2-3 days. It has become prettier fast. There is no lag. Okay, apps edge also opening perfectly, not like other ROMs. And here we get the briefing, so we can, oh no, let us look about the yeah, let's go to RAM, clean everything. Let's expect 560. Yeah, 20 by 563, yes. So Dream UI finally got some lower RAM, means oh yeah, only 1017 MB RAM issue. No, that more like 4, like it only got 400. And yeah, multi windows are working very perfectly, you can see. Okay, yes, the browser is also a Dream UI, like means the icons are changed, and you can select the clock here or any app which is supported, and see it's working fine. No lag issue or anything. You can add these cities also, add anything, and the alarms you can set also. So this is very helpful, and you can on the browse here. Okay, this is very awesome thing because we get both in one package. You just need to select the UI. Other apps are also only same, and we get the latest music app here. No need to install anything extra. Let's go into the video player. This is I think latest version, so no need for extra things. Let's go to settings and go to about device. Everything is same. Yes, and it is the Optimax kernel, yeah, which will boost your performance. So both the UI means it's only same ROM, just UI change. Okay, this ROM has the Optimax kernel, so this is very awesome. Both UIs will run stunning. Let's look at the camera, it's working or not, and first we'll take a look at the gallery. Okay, let's look at the camera if it's working. Yeah, it will work fine because the same camera is embedded, but still we can have a choice here to see what the camera does. So we can see some icon change here. The shutter icon is changed here and it's looking awesome. And these macro pictures are very doing awesome. Yeah, some filters are changed or same, I don't remember. Sorry. So here you can see the icon of the modes is also changed. So this is beautiful. You see all these icons means the same modes. Here some filters are embedded here, and as you can see here, these icons are also Dream UX icons, and this is wonderfully awesome because other camera apps are getting the same UI, and some old ROMs also getting the same camera and no issues. So because they were stock ROMs, and this is fully ported, and this is the best ever UI and ROM because okay, this is my just my opinion, so please other developers don't do like that. I don't like their ROM is also awesome, and I gave thanks to everyone at the XDA, so please don't worry about that clicking on thanks button. And all developers like Max, Alush, like this one is Lacmel or anything. Yeah, sorry about your name. But every ROM in the XTA who works about this ROMs for our device is very much appreciated, because he has developed a very awesome ROM and ported the A7 2017. The phone is just released, and it was he was working on it before the phone was released. So this is very awesome. It is using the PDA and CSC of the both ROMs. Okay, now the new A series which is coming 2017 version. Okay, and this is for the ROM, and this ROM is very more optimized, high battery life it gives. RAM usage is very awesome, as you saw the results in both. It is nearly in the both UI we installed. You get 560 to 590 MB RAM with the first boot, and I know after playing huge games you will get a 480 RAM easily. If you have any other stats about this RAM or any battery life, you can post it to my WhatsApp. Oh, sorry, you can send it to me WhatsApp by the given number down. I have given the contact number and email ID also, so you can post here. And if you have any issues or you can found anything is not working with you, because many things are working, pop-up gesture, multi-windows. I have a means if you saw my old videos, you can see I've tested them all, and I have tested this ROM too. This is very awesome. Yeah, no words for this, and thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please subscribe my channel and for more videos. And yeah, if you have any queries, please comment, and goodbye. Thank you.